Today we are diving into an epic adventure climbing the world's tallest cliff. Everyone please like this video. Everyone please, if you are here, so please like me guys, because my every videos goes to just 1k views, not more, as you can check on my channel. Just because every my video got 1k views, but get like 1 2 3, no more than 3. So please like this video, everyone please, because I want to become like MrBeast, and but right now it's just a dream, guys. But you can help me to reach this. So please support me, guys. Let's start our video, guys. As you know, this is our new adventure story, and as you know, this is new adventure story. So just imagine this, okay? And this is my eighth video, means the third last video today. So let's start without wasting your time. Let's start. Today we're diving into any big adventure climbing the world's tallest cliff. This is not just any challenge, this is MrBeast Extreme Challenge. Picture this and imagine this. A towering rock face that seems to touch the sky, a feat that pushes the limits of what we think is possible. But why climb a cliff is not just about the adrenaline rush or the glory of reaching the summit. It's about learning and growth. Every step up that cliff teaches us something valuable. We learn about perseverance, facing our fears, and the importance of teamwork. Just like in life, every challenge we encounter can help us grow stronger. And as you know, what is called encounter? Would you know their meaning? So must write in the comments. Otherwise, I tell you, you can ask questions to me. Okay. Now, let's talk about the words meaning behind this climb. The tallest cliff represents our highest aspirations. It reminds us that while the journey may be tough, every inch gained in is a victory. Okay, we often look at our goals and think they are unattainable, but remember, every great achievement starts with the decision to try. And so what is the lesson here? Embrace your challenges, whether it's climbing a literal cliff or overcoming personal obstacles. Every struggle builds a character, and when you reach that summit, the view is worth over every ounce of effort you put in. So next time you face a daunting task, remember MrBeast's extreme challenge and take it one step at a time. You might just surprise yourself with what you can achieve. Keep climbing, keep learning, and keep pushing your limits. Okay, bye for now.